If you want to hard reset your Samsung Galaxy S25 by using the recovery mode, in that case you will need to prepare the USB cable and you need to connect your phone to a computer. So use a computer in order to connect your phone. And once we are connected, we need to power off our device. So I'm gonna go through the quick settings to power off. There we go. Wait for the device to turn off. In addition to that, we need to wait for the charging information. You will see the charging logo in the middle and then information about the battery at the bottom. Once it is there, you want to press and hold the power button and volume up button and hold it until you see the recovery mode. So wait for the charging information, there we go, and press and hold those two buttons that I mentioned. And keep holding like that. You will see Samsung logo, still keep holding. There we go, now we are in the recovery mode, and here we need to go down by using volume buttons, so you can use volume down in order to go down, volume up in order to go up. And here we have the wipe data / factory reset option. This allows us to perform the hard reset on our phone. Confirm your choice by pressing the power button, and then once again go down to choose factory data reset and confirm once again with the power button, and then proceed with all the instructions that you will see on the screen. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!